Hello guys, today's video will be about Trello. Trello is a web-based tool that helps individuals and teams organize and manage their projects in a simple, intuitive way. It uses a visual board format that with customizable columns called lists to present different stages of the project. Now let's head to the website and get started by creating our account. So Trello brings all your tasks, teammates, and tools together in one place. So let's sign up for free. And you can sign up with Google, and I prefer using Google. So Trello is incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of projects from personal to professional. It's especially helpful for teams working remotely and or across different time zone as it allows to easy collaborate with communication in real times. So let's continue by creating our website, our account. So this is the most we have the traffic lights too and bridges. Okay, I'm bad at CAPTCHA. Please select our matching images. How this? Sorry. So something went wrong while executing your request. And how am I supposed to finish this? Wait. What's Atlassian? Atli What is this website? I remember we were at Trello. Okay. Let's restart up. We said we put our email here and start up for free. Oh, you need an Atlassian account. So let's continue with Google account and see where this is taking us. Oh, it was that easy. So welcome to Trello. Let's create your workspace. The name of your workspace. What who's on your team? You can add the email addresses of your team here. I don't have a team. I work alone. Next. Here we have the special offers. Try Trello Premium. Built-in automation, unlimited power apps, admin and security control, multiple project views, due dates and assigns for checklist item, and more. You can start your premium trial here, or you can just skip and continue with the free trial. So the cards on the board represent individual tasks or items which can be moved between lists as they can they progress through different stages of completions. So this is the board. You have to create your first board. Click on create board and choose the color or the background, board title, to do visibility, workspace, public or private for you, and create. This is your board. So most popular template, you can choose the template. So here to edit your board, we have here enter the title of this card and add another card here. And done. And that's it. This is how to add, and as I said, it's easy to switch or add another list here. You can just swipe. And let's go back to the board. Send into who? Stop. Okay. Now we have the workspace settings. Upgrade workspace or workspace settings. Here we have the dark or the light. Oh, they have no dark theme. So here we have the accounts, manage account, we have profile and visibility, cards, settings. Let's head to the settings. Here we have the account settings, the language settings, the email notification and preference. Here you can turn off all notifications and allow desktop notifications, suggestion, marketing email, accessibility, application, color blind friendly mode, the two-step verification, the personal data. You can delete your account from here. Here we have the card settings. So no visible card. You have to add a card to edit it. And here we have the profile and visibility. So you can manage your personal information. You can add a bio here and save it. So here we have the workspaces, the recent tasks, the started tasks, the templates. So you can change your worksheet or add a new one here to get help and information, and here the notifications. Here we have more from Atlassian. We have more websites here and more Atlassian products, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.